Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Asian meal prep recipe. Today I am making beef and broccoli spaghetti. As always, you can make it spicy or you don't have to, but you know what? Let's get started. So, this recipe is only gonna set you back about 20 minutes tops. Super easy. Okay, we are gonna start off by heating up a skillet on high so then we can cook in the onions, garlic, and ginger. All right, so once the pan is hot, let's add in the oil. So once the pan is hot, let's add in the oil. And we're gonna add in the onion. So onion in, and also ginger in. All right, and also the garlic. All right, so once they're in, we just need to stir fry them till the smell rises up, okay? So just keep stirring it. Alrighty, once it starts to rise up, the smell, and it becomes a little bit brownish, okay, we're gonna add in the beef, okay? So what I wanna try and do is just to add in the beef and let it cook for a while without touching it. Let's add in the beef into the pan. So this way. And while the beef is cooking, that first minute, okay, we are gonna start putting together the sauce, alright? So let's do the sauce in. Pretty easy right here. We're gonna add in the coconut aminos. Gonna add in the brown sugar. It's right there. Some sesame oil. Oyster sauce. So just add this bit in. Chili padi. And just a tad bit of pepper. Right into it, and we're just gonna stir it up. So stir, 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 stir. All right, seems that my beef is a little cooked, so we're just gonna toss it around this way. So while the beef is turning a little kind of pink, we're gonna add in the carrots. So into the pan and stir it up together. All right, just let it stir. Okay, we don't want to overcook the beef. Okay, it doesn't take very long at this stage. We're now gonna add in the broccoli. So in it goes, broccoli, and stir it up. So you do have the option of cooking the broccoli first, okay? So just sort of let it soften up before you add it into this. But I kind of like my broccoli a little tough, okay? So it's really up to you if you don't really like the hard sort of broccoli, then cook it in boiling water first for 5 minutes before you start cooking the rest of the ingredients, okay? All right. So, oh, look at that. Easy. I love it. And you see, we only have literally 2 more ingredients to add in, okay, which is the spaghetti and the sauce. So, super simple. Literally just will take you less than 10 minutes and another 10 minutes to prepare beforehand. Alrighty, so next thing up, we are gonna add in the spaghetti. So I have about 3 fist size of spaghetti right here. So that's 1, 2, and another one, 3. Of course, please eat according to your macros, okay? So we're just gonna stir the spaghetti in, and then we're gonna pour in the sauce, all right? So just stir it in, stir it up. Okay, and last but not least, the sauce. So let's add in the sauce. Use the whole thing up. And stir it up. Woo! Looky, looky. There you go. Stir this whole bit up. Yums. So easy. Cut up the spaghetti if you want to. And we are nearly done. I'd say it looks really good. And really fast. So there you go. Put it together. And there you have it. Let's build our meals. Alright guys, so I have right here 3 of my containers and I'm gonna build my meals, okay, across 3 days. So let's get this one in. Got one. Woo! And the second one. And the third one. There you have it. Super simple. Just gonna build the rest of it right here. 2. And the third one right here. Bit of veggies in this first one. And the second one. More veggies in the third. Alrighty, there you go. And the last bit. Awesome. Awesome guys, this looks like it's a success. So I am gonna taste it, all right? Let's dig into this. So just a little bit of the noodles and the beef. I'm just gonna try it. I love it. Taste, there's some sweetness in there, a bit of salty in there. It looks and it tastes pretty good. So I love this one. Make sure you give this one a try. It's so easy. It took me only literally 10 minutes, all right? Give it a go. Of course, as usual, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys again next week with another cheap, fast, and nutritious Asian meal prep recipe video. Stay safe.